Welcome. Today I'm talking about this imarku non-stick cast aluminum pan that's good for the induction burner. I'm going to be cooking some chorizo in it today to show you how well it works. I love the color. I love the feel. It's very light. The lid is even non-stick, and this folds away, and I guess if you had to, you could put food in there. With most of my pans, I like them if they're oven safe, and they say that this is oven safe. Even this cool handle is oven safe up to 465 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's get the chorizo in here and get to cooking and see how this thing works. Leaving them in large chunks so that it can brown them just a little bit without drying them out. It takes a few minutes, but we'll get it done. We're gonna let that brown up on the outside, and I'm gonna smash it up. As you can see, it doesn't stick at all. Really like this pan. I like the high sides. I like how well it came up to temperature. I like the weight of it. I like everything about this pan. I think you will too. Thank you for watching.